Hey, what's up guys? This is STOOPHEADZ TV, and to start this video off, I want to say thank you to our subscribers. I really do appreciate it if you're subscribed. Second, if you're not subscribed, after this video you should freaking subscribe, bro!
Because we're cool.
Okay, no, that didn't do it. We're just, you gotta be like, we're just cool, dude. Like, we're just fucking, like, we're just cool, we're just great. That's like, you know, you can't just say,
we're
alright.
We're just cool. Great. You gotta do that signature.
What the fuck? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Bird, you got anything to say?
You goddamn right I got something to say. It's fucking Rona season.
Oh, fuck. Hold that thought. Dog, we drank all the f***ing Ronas, but, I mean, f*** it. And without further ado, let the train horns begin.
Oh,
The neighbors are definitely calling the cops, bro. The f was that? Dude, you see? Guys, I think he's f***ing deaf.
Yeah, I don't even know where it came from. There you go.
Who the fuck did that?
The manager called the cops.
Really?
Yeah.
You for real? On who? Nobody knows who it is. On that truck?
Yeah. I'm just gonna tell him.
Huh? Yeah, fuck. I don't know. Thank you. Oh, what the f? Was that them? Keep watching. Keep fucking watching. Whose was that? Them? Somebody's got a train horn or something. Just gonna send it. We're just gonna fucking send it. What the fuck? What the?
Was that you?
No.
Who was it?
That was
Hey.
you. Jeez. What the hell? That was you.
That was a truck.
Huh?
I don't know what that was.
Yeah, sure.
We are headed to the football field where my friend Bryce is kicking, and he has a short ass temper. God damn, you fucking suck. What? I don't know what the fuck that was.
Yeah,
Fuck you.
Dude, are you f***ing serious right now?
Yeah, sorry.
Trying to practice.
Dude, he's mad. Should I do it again? Fuck out of me, he's gonna be so mad, dude. He's gonna be fucking. Oh, fuck, oh, fuck, oh, fuck.
Really, nigga?
So we're at my mom's workplace right now, and we're about to scare the shit out of her coworkers. Hey, Mom, whose baby stroller's out there?
Hey, Wes.
Hey.
What is that?
It's just my friend's baby. Her name's Christine. Oh, shit.
What is that?
Yo, Mom, why is there a baby stroller by the pool?
I already knew that's what it was.
Excuse me. I really hope you fuck you. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me talk. Let me talk. Let me talk. Subscribe.